Welcome to Universal Studios Orlando Parking Garage. Today we're gonna go do Hagrids, see how long it takes. Since everybody's freaking out and saying, oh, it's never open. And well, we're gonna go see, show you how it's done. First, you wanna check the app, make sure that it's on, make sure it's running. And then, most importantly, you wanna check the radar and make sure that there's no storms in the area, but there is a storm, so we'll see if it gets delayed or not. Welcome to Universal Orlando City Walk. Storm clouds are forming over the park. Let's hope that's not a bad sign. So here we are, Islands of Adventure. And the tour groups are out. Tour groups are out. Best advice is try not to get stuck behind a tour group. Good luck. So if you do get behind tour group, you are going to be waiting to try to get in. They only have one open. Alright, so about 20 minutes from the parking garage to finally in the park. So we're going to head straight over to Hagrids. Let's do this. Another one leaving. Good. So, quickest way to Hagrids is you come up port of entry and you take a right into Seuss Landing. Don't go Marble, go Seuss. And a quick run through the Lost Continent. And into Hogsmeade. And I can hear it running.
Where were Gerber cemented?
So it says 150 minutes. Well, we're gonna find out how much it really is. So it's running. That's a good thing.
For your safety, please stay off rails, trees, curbs, and any of Hagrid's items lying around. If you have
One of the occasions. It was like a Hagrid's. She was in charge of the props. And I immediately looked.
We got her in January 2017.
So they let the line move in groups. So let big groups in for the little pre-show. So you'll move in batches, and then you'll stand for a few minutes, and then you'll move in large groups. So it moves very, very well. Okay, so 10 minutes from getting in the queue, we are inside the fort, or the ruins. Okay, so we skipped the pre-show and they just kept going. So we made it to the egg room after skipping the pre-show. Looks like they're trying to rush the crowd through because it's running at a higher capacity than they expected. we got in line at 2:50, and it's now almost 4 o'clock. So an hour and 10 minutes in the line and off the ride. So an hour and 10 minutes from the time I got in the line to the time I got off the ride. And it said 150. So less than half. Well, it seems like they run all 7 sometimes, but not always at the same time. It's like they try to, but they don't. Yeah, you would think though that like at highest capacity would be 7.
It's Hagrids. Hagrids and
Okay, so that big blue building that's been custom for the floor. It's like some of the mist was turned down or turned off.
That was pretty much Why do you think you went?
I guess they were trying to not stop it, maybe.
No, it's in behind all the trees. Hey, Dave. I found the part where it goes with the red forest area.
Yep.
You can see the track going there in the trees.
Sorry.
Is Gavin actually the egg? Really?
No, the exit's down there.
So it's still only an hour, about an hour. It took us longer to drive here. And it said 150 minutes, and you know. So it can be done as long as you watch the weather. As long as there's no weather. We lucked out today. So let's go. So the first time we rode it was night